Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Ferry Pass, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving more than 50 miles away from your present address requires thorough planning and capable hands. 3 Movers is Ferry Pass, Florida's top long-distance moving company. We follow a well-thought-out moving plan. We consider some factors when drawing out a plan. We work with your budget, preference, and timeline. These factors help us create the best moving plan. Our movers are experts and your belongings are safe with them. Our moving trucks are some of the best quality. They are spacious and move your belongings over long distances. There are no concerns about any form of damage to your items when we are in charge. Our insurance also has adequate coverage. If you are relocating less than 100 miles, we are also the perfect movers for you. Our customer service is top-notch. We are the favorite of the locals, and they are quick to recommend us. They are sure of us delivering goods, moving services. Also, our services are cost-effective. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour for labor. Our local movers are fast, cheap, and adequate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Ferry Pass moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.